Hello everyone. Today we're starting the restoration of this Roths patent, a fascinating Swiss timepiece featuring an extremely unusual mainspring barrel locking system. In this first of 2 episodes, we will perform a full disassembly of the entire watch. Stick around until the end to see this rare patented mechanism in detail. Let's get to the bench. I'm now going to remove the stem and crown to release the movement from the case. Once it's out, we'll be able to appreciate every detail of this unique mechanism. I'm removing the balance bridge. Next, I'll remove the pallet fork to safely release the power from the mainspring. I'm now starting to disassemble the stem securing system. This requires precision to ensure the setting lever and its components are removed safely. Step by step, I'm going to remove the wheel train, starting with the center wheel and moving all the way to the escape wheel, exposing the main plate of the movement. I'm carefully removing the cap jewel. It's a tiny component, but essential for holding the oil and ensuring the balance oscillates with minimal friction. As you can see, this is the real secret of this movement, a piece that detaches from the main plate just like a puzzle. It's a brilliant engineering solution and extremely rare to come across. Thank you so much for watching this disassembly to the end. If you were fascinated by the engineering of this Roths patent, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In the next and final episode, I will perform the full assembly and lubrication, bringing this rare mechanism back to life. You won't want to miss the final result. See you then.